Hi, wanna know how to turn on flashlight for incoming calls on your Realme 12x? So, to do it, as a first step, we would need to open our phone application, which is usually located on the home screen in the list of dock apps. Then, as a next step, here we would need to click on these three dots at the right upper corner and click on the settings button. Here we would need to look for a tab which is named calling accounts and open it, and then go to the tab named more settings. Here we would be able to see only one setting, which is flash on call, and you can see the description which is saying the camera flash will blink for incoming calls when the screen is locked. So let's enable it by clicking on this gray slider and test it. So as you can see, we would need to turn off our phone so the screen is locked, and now I'll call myself from another device to see if it's working or not. And here you can see the flashlight because I got the incoming call on the lock screen. And this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.